Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. So today's video, as you guys have seen in the title, it is going to be a part of the Tutti Frutti collection from Too Faced, and I'm just gonna read it because it's like really long. It is called the Tutti Frutti Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer Highlighting Duo. Original price $30. How much I paid for it? $9.99. Now, I have been wanting this for like a really long time. In fact, as soon as they have displayed the entire collection on the display at Ulta, I immediately want to buy it. However, I'm not a rich bitch. Not yet. I only bought the two eyeshadow palettes, and if I only knew that it's going to end up over there, I could have waited, so I could have saved a lot of money. But around that time, it's like I badly wanted it, and I saw this over there, and you know what? I thought I want to buy it, you know? A lot of people have mixed, you know, feelings about this entire line. You know, I don't have any hate towards it. I think it's fun, it's cute, it's innovative. That's just me though, but like nobody cares about me because like I'm not popular. So anyway, let me go ahead and read what it says in the back. Achieve a sexy strobing bronze with this pineapple scented duo. Mix shades together to create a classic lit from within bronze, or layer each shade to create a customized glow. And then after that, you will see the ingredients in the back just in case you guys are allergic to something. Now, also, just want to warn you guys that this is actually highly scented. Now, if your nose is sensitive to certain smells, then this is not going to be something for you. But in my opinion, it doesn't really hurt that bad. Like, it's literally not that bad at all. The smell doesn't linger, none of that. It's just, to me, it's like a pina colada. Like, now if you are under 18, that probably you can't relate, but it's like just a refreshing, you know, it just smells fresh. It doesn't smell like a car. It doesn't smell like a taxi or something. And then you'll be getting 8 grams total, combining like the strobing and the bronzer. And let me show you what the actual packaging looks like. It is blinding. It's just so beautiful. I freaking love it. See that? I'm tilting it because the sun is like super hitting on it. Can barely see it. And at the back, that's what it looks like. And then when you open it up, it has a magnetic closure. There's like a Too Faced sign over here. And then there's this pineapple, you know, image over here. And then you have your products. Now, it is so rare that I have something like this. Like, literally, this one doesn't have any divider. So it's really sticking together in one pan. Sometimes I like this because I love traveling. So if I travel, this could be very handy. But another thing that I don't like about this, because sometimes when you use this one, it kind of contaminates the other product or whatever. I know it's both powder. I know you can just blow it and go. But sometimes, you know what I'm talking about. No? Sorry. Well, okay. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do the demo. And then after the demo, I'm going to let you guys know what is my overall thoughts. So, yeah. See you in a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a contour powder and work my way in using the Real Techniques blending brush or contour brush. I actually love this specific type of brush. I believe I bought probably like 5 of these because I really love it so much. And then guys, notice that there is like a tan going on this side. Absolutely love it. Obviously, it is a warm undertone. And I thought it's going to be like super sparkly, but it didn't end up looking like, you know, like super shimmery and none of that. Just gives you like a really nice glow. So I'm going to work my way on the other side to complete my makeup. And then after that, using my MAC brush, I'm going to go ahead and get some of this highlight and apply that on the highest panes of my cheeks. You know what, sometimes I actually skip blush and just put highlight on my cheeks. I just really love the look that it gives. I really love this brush from MAC. It is the MAC 133. I wish I have a dupe for this one. I only have 2 in my kit because these are, you know,
quite expensive. And also I'm gonna go back in with my nose contour because I totally forgot, and this is the brushes from Wet n Wild and it's only $1. And let me tell you, they last for years. I still have all of my Wet n Wild eyeshadow brushes from the beginning and they are still with me. Absolutely no shedding. So this is the final look, you guys. I did not put any blush anymore, just so you guys could see how they work on the skin alone. So far so good. It doesn't, you know, it's not flaky or anything. I think it applies like butter on the skin. It's just so smooth and finely milled. I love it. I really love it. Almost, it kind of feels like almost it was baked. Feels like mineralized skin finish.
Hi guys, I am back and I'm finally ready to give you guys my overall thoughts. I like it. I have no complaints about it. Am I gonna buy this for $30? Oh hell no. I'm a cheap ass bitch. You guys already know this. Now, probably if I have the money, I would sure do, okay? Like, because in my opinion, like, it's so rare for me to buy something in full price. I can't even remember like the time I bought a makeup that is not on sale. Now, my advice, if you really love makeup, but you know, I'm that type of person, like when makeup releases, like if it's new, I buy it like right off the bat, but I'm not like that anymore. Though it would benefit my channel a lot if I review like super new items, but I would never buy something that doesn't have any discount, because even the most expensive makeup, Natasha Denona, they still go on sale. So I would say I'm a smarter person now, I think. What do you call that? But like, yeah, I love budgeting, and especially that I'm a small channel for now. That's what I do. I buy makeup when they are on sale. So I really love this. I think it is effective. One of the things that I like about the bronzer is that when you put it on, it looks so airbrushed. It just gives you that really nice J-Lo or Beyonce glow. I can't explain. It's just so beautiful. And then the bronzer, the highlighter, it's just perfect. It's not like a strip of, you know, it's not like a strip of light on my face. It just blends so seamlessly. It kind of looks like it's wet, and it's not too much. I just love it. I just love the glow that it gives. And if you see this in Marshalls, Burlington, Ross, don't buy them because they are all mine. No, just kidding. Definitely grab one of them because it's really good, and I'm absolutely sure that you guys are going to love this one too. Now, of course, the color is definitely not for everybody. That's the only downfall on this one, but other than that, you know, you can just put this on your cheeks and give you like a really nice tan. Love it. No complaints about it. And don't worry about the smell. Like, it doesn't really linger that much in my opinion. Like, it really doesn't, okay? Like, calm down. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Let me know in the comment box down below if you have bought anything from the Tutti Frutti line of Too Faced, and if you have a certain favorite, let me know as well. I have yet to try their facial spray. Yeah, I didn't know that we're gonna have a zombie apocalypse, so maybe if I have a little bit of money left, probably buy that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys next week. So just so you guys know, I upload every day now. Hey, bye.